25 acres, direct river access, a pond, pasture, passive income potential, and a brand new barndominium. This is Tennessee done right. Set among rolling hills with Wolf River frontage, this property blends modern construction with true land ownership, offering a lifestyle that's equal parts peaceful, productive, and full of possibility. A bright kitchen and living area, anchored by an electric fireplace and framed by large windows capturing sweeping farm and hillside views. The upper level also includes a full bath with laundry, a walk-in closet, and a private bedroom with direct access to a spacious covered deck. Step outside and the land truly shines. Enjoy fenced pasture, a peaceful pond, camper hookup, and a designated dog lot. With direct access to the Wolf River, you can fish, kayak, or tube right from your own property. No crowds, no travel, just nature. Beyond lifestyle, this property offers real income potential. One active oil well and communal wells currently produce revenue. Mineral rights are leased and will convey, adding a rare passive income component to your land investment. Conveniently located near Dale Hollow Lake, Pickett State Park, Big South Fork, and Alvin C. York State Historic Park, this property works as a full-time residence, weekend escape, or long-term legacy investment. This isn't just land, it's freedom built.